here we are, just looking at what we're up to today. We've got the display on the screen, and this is my remote board. It's got 3 buttons, piezo sounder, the physically connected pickaxe logging port, and I've divided the results on the screen by 10 just to get rid of the constantly changing second decimal point. That can be selected back again if people want it, but it's much more stable like that. And as we know, the BCM detects differences of over a volt before it starts throwing codes, so it needs to sort of drop by a volt or so. So that's probably enough resolution. On the bottom there we've got the highest cell, lowest cell, and the difference at the minute, and these are very closely matched, this stick set I'm testing at a minute. So it's connected by a ribbon cable to the gizmo itself, which is just assembled there, wired into the BCM. And on the board here today we've got a flashing device here, and this is the Bluetooth transmitter. It simply plugs onto the IC/SP programming pin, so that's very convenient, and that's transmitting to my laptop here. This is a laptop I've set up to receive Bluetooth, so if I just click the connect here, see if we can connect to it. It's connected, as you can see there. I haven't established what codes and what signals the Bluetooth adapter is actually sending out. I know it's 9600 watt serial, and you can see the stop flashing now, which means it's established a connection with the laptop. So with data's probably getting to the laptop, it's now a question of working out what the format is to get it out of the Bluetooth interface at this end and into Excel. Going back to the screen again, and if I press the middle button here, reboot the device, and you'll see the start of the L bar graph, and I'm using it to use the custom characters on the display there to make the start of the bar graph. Just a few graphics there. I haven't started writing any of the bar graph code yet, just uploaded the custom characters to the LCD. If I reboot it again, while the splash screen is on, you can press the right button and that changes the number of taps being monitored from 10 to 11. Press it again, reboots the device again, and goes back to 10 taps. So 10 taps is the default, and there we are, back to the standard display. So making quite a lot of progress. I had a very frustrating day yesterday with it, because the PIC was not transmitting at the right speed at all, and I've had to adjust the oscillator frequency in the PIC manually to get it to the right speed, and the LCD display wasn't picking anything up because it was not receiving data at the right speed. But we've overcome that problem yesterday. It was basically a setting in the PIC I hadn't done, and this is where we are at the moment.